Alright, so this is part 2 of the segment addition postulate notes. What we're going to do here is use some algebra skills in our segment addition postulate ideas. So let's first start with what they're given. We're given AC equals 22, so that's the big piece. We're also told that BC equals x plus 14. And we're also told that AB equals x plus 10. Now, if I break this apart and I say that small piece plus small piece equals whole piece, I would say that AB plus BC equals the entire segment, which is AC. Now let's substitute in each of these parts. So AB is x plus 10, plus BC, which is x plus 14, equals AC, which is, in this case, 22. So what I do is look for like terms on the left side. I have x plus x, that's 1x plus 1x, that's 2x. Then I have 10 plus 14, that's plus 20, that's 24, equals 22. Now it becomes a one-step equation, or two-step equation. I subtract 24 from both sides. I'm left with 2x on this side and negative 2 on this side. And to get rid of the 2, I divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 1. In this case, we're only looking for x. We've solved our answer. In the next equation, we're also looking for x. Let's see what we're given. AC equals 3x plus 3. That's the entire thing. We're also given AB is negative 1 plus 2x. And BC this time is 11. Alright, again, what I do is I take small piece plus small piece equals the entire piece. So I'll say AB plus segment BC equals the entire segment, which is AC. Let's substitute in what we're given. AB is negative 1 plus 2x plus BC, which is 11, equals AC, which is 3x plus 3. Again, what I look for is like terms on either side of the equal sign. I have negative 1 and plus 11. Those are like terms. I can't do anything with the 2x, though, so I'll drop down 2x. Negative 1 plus 11 is positive 10. On the right side of the equation, I can't combine anything. I'll leave 3x plus 3. Now I can't combine together my x's because they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. Same thing with my 10 and my 3, they're on opposite sides. So what I look to do here is move my smallest value with an x, and I want to move the entire 2x by subtracting 2x. 2x minus 2x is 0. I'm left with 10. 3x minus 2x is 1x, and I still have the 3. This now is a two-step equation. I subtract 3 from both sides. 10 minus 3 is 7. I'm still left with 1x over there. I divide both sides by 1, and x equals 7. Our directions asked to find x. We found x. We're good. In the next example, they want us to look for AB, and they want us to find BC. So, again, let's start with what we know. We know that the small segment AB plus the other small segment BC equals the entire segment, which is AC. Let's substitute what we know. AB is 2x plus BC, which is 3x plus 5, equals AC, which is 40. So again, I'm going to look for like terms on either side of the equal sign. On the left side, I have 2x plus 3x, that's 5x. Can't do anything with the plus 5, I'll leave that. And there's only 40 on that side, so I'll leave it. Now we have a two-step equation. I subtract 5 from both sides. I'm left with 5x over here, because 5 minus 5 is 0. 40 minus 5 is 35. I divide both sides by 5, and x equals 7. However, if I look at my question, it's asking me to find AB and BC. So we have a little bit more work to do because we've only found x. So AB, we know from here, that equals 2x. And again, I know x equals 7, so I can substitute 7 in for x. So that's 2 times 7. AB equals 14. They also want us to find BC. BC equals 3x plus 5. And again, if I know x is 7, I substitute that in. BC equals 3 times 7 plus 5. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 5. That equals 26. BC equals 26. Now we can check to make sure our answer is correct, because we know that AB plus BC should equal the entire thing. If I add together 14 plus 26, it should equal the entire piece, which is 40. That is true. 14 plus 26 does equal 40.